Summer is the best time for salads, and if you are on Pinterest, you would have seen the whole trend of mason jar salads, and today we are going to try to replicate one of those. So the basic rule of building any salad is it needs to have a base, which is usually the greens. It needs to have some color and crunch. It needs to have some protein, and when you add some whole grains to it, it just makes it a very filling and balanced dish. So the rule of thumb in a mason jar salad is the dressing goes at the bottom, and then you layer in order of the hardiest vegetable to the most delicate on the top. So we are going to start with some balsamic vinaigrette, which is flavored with roasted cumin. So that goes at the bottom. And then because the carrots are quite tough, that's what goes in next. So we have a carrot layer. After that goes in the sprouted moong. You can add any other sprouts or any other cooked beans to this. So we're also looking at color here. So we have some orange and then we have some green, and now we're going to put the red bell pepper on top. And after this, I'm going to add a layer of cooked foxtail millet. Again, this is the same as the ragi family, extremely healthy, high in fiber and calcium, and it just makes you very filled up after having this salad. So now we'll tear the lettuce into pieces and add it on the top. So this is an excellent salad. You can just carry this bottle to your workplace and put it in the refrigerator, and when it's time to eat, I'll show you what to do. So there you have all the layers, and you just close the lid, and you can take this to work, or if you prepare this in the morning, you can put it in the fridge, and when it's lunchtime, all you do is topple the whole thing into a bowl. Give it a nice toss. And you can serve it out. So you have an excellent, delicious, very colorful salad ready in minutes, and there's no excuse for eating unhealthy at your workplace. You can try this with all different combinations. Do let me know how you like this idea. Leave a comment below.